So we're going to be looking at these machines right here. We use for testing voltage and ampage and other things like that. So right here we have Fluke 114 multimeter, and also the Auto Testing Pro 90 clamp multimeter. So as you can see, they look kind of similar, but they are different. So this one is more expensive, and turning it on, you can see that there's different settings on there on what to test. So if you just do the V with the squiggly line, then it will pretty much what you do is you take these prongs. One is the ground, and then one's positive, negative, or the ground, and then the other one tests. So if you stick them in here, you stick them in the outlet, and then they read how many volts are coming out of AC power. So in this outlet, there's 121.2 volts. Yeah, so that's used for measuring voltage, along with, you can do this on a wire, and it will tell you how many volts are coming out of that wire at that given point. If we look at this one, kind of does the same thing. You can take these caps off. And this one kind of auto senses what you're doing, so you don't need to necessarily put it in a specific spot. Let me take this off more. Stick this in. It also reads about 120.1. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. The cord is kind of tied, but and the cool thing about the Pro 90 clamp is you can also clamp this around a wire, and it will measure the amps within the wire. So that's neat. This one is obviously cheaper, and they both do similar things, but they also do different things. Like this one doesn't measure the amp, this one does. So yeah.